Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Naval Gusrianto and I'm recording this video to complete my assignment for the subject Islamic education by answering these questions about test tube baby. First question, what is test tube baby? Test tube baby is a special kind of device like injection through which the sperm of a man is used without intercourse. It is delivered to the uterus in order to produce offspring. Therefore, Allama Dr. Wahab Al-Zuhili says about the test tube, there is, and the intercourse of a woman without mercy during intercourse. That is through this test tube, a man's semen is transmitted to a woman's uterus without intercourse, in order to produce offspring. Second question, how does Islam see it? First off, test tube baby has two cases, and they are mixing of foreign male and female substances and the mixing of couple substances. For the mixing of foreign male and female substances, there are some ways in which a man and a woman may mix sperm to obtain offspring from a test tube. The first one is the sperm of the husband should be mixed with a substance or egg of a foreign woman, and then the sperm should be placed in the womb of the husband's wife. The second one is the woman's ovum is taken and mixed with the sperm of a non-male and transferred to the uterus of the same woman. The third one is the substances of a strange man and a strange woman should be mixed and placed in the womb of his wives. The above mentioned cases are unlawful and considered haram, and all contemporary scholars agree on their haramity. The reason is obvious that in these cases, the substances of two stranger men and women have been mixed, which is tantamount to the act of adultery. For the mixing of couple substances, there are three forms of reproduction, and reproduction are possible by mixing the sperm of the husband and wife through the test tube. The first case is when a man's substance is taken in an injection or tube and transferred to his wife's uterus. The second case is that the substance of both is collected and kept outside in the tube for a certain period of time and then transferred to the womb of the same wife. The third case is that the substances of both the husband and his wife should be combined and transferred to the womb of the second wife or another woman of that person. The problem is with it. For the first two of them are permissible, while the third case is considered unlawful and haram. Third question, what is surrogate motherhood and what is the Islamic ruling or hukum on it? Surrogate motherhood is a practice in which a woman, the surrogate mother, bears a child for a couple unable to produce children in the usual way. Usually because the wife is infertile or otherwise unable to undergo pregnancy. The Islamic ruling or hukum on surrogate motherhood is haram, because surrogate motherhood involves a woman carrying and delivering a child for another individual or couple. And that's all of my answers for these three questions about test tube baby. If I do make any mistakes, please forgive me. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.